How are you? How old are you? Five? Oh, 5 years old. Okay. What color do you like?
Pink.
Oh, pink. Oh, that one? It's the pink? Ah, what color is this?
Green.
Green. Okay. What animal do you like?
Cat.
Cat? What does the cat say?
Meow. Meow.
What does the dog say? Woof. Woof. What does the monkey say? You don't remember? Yes, it's a monkey. Okay. Elsa, how many fingers do you have? 10. Can you touch your nose? Where is your nose? Where is your nose? Nose. Where is your nose? Yeah, okay. Ears. Where? Good. How many ears? 2 ears. Good job. Give me this bump. Boom. Are you ready? Yes, teacher. Tolan. Okay, very good. Now let's start with the letter recognition. And tell me the letters and the sounds. Ready, go. Letter F. Sounds. Next. Sounds. Next. Sounds. Good. This one. Letter Q. Oh my gosh, go ahead. Okay, good. Okay, you can say the word that has M sound. Mountain is correct. Oh. Orange, correct. Next. Correct. Wow. Robot. Great job. Now, move on to the last part. Here, a lot of animals. Wow, who is she? Look, who is she? She is a queen. Good. Next, I want to ask you about animal that has O sound. What animal that has O sound? Ostrich. What animal that has M sound? Monkey. What animals that has R sound? R sound. What animal is it? Animal. Robot is not an animal. It's color white. What animal is it? Yes, rabbit is correct. What animal that has sound? Sit nicely. Animal that has sound. What is it? Cow. And what animal? That's animal, okay? That has sound. Bird. Sound. What animal is this? You don't know this? What animal is this? Pen? Pen? Yes, this is an animal. Very good. Now look at this. What's this? What is this? A cherry. Rose. What's the beginning letter? Letter? Oh no, letter R. Next, what fruit is it? Very good. What's the beginning letter? Very good. Do you like pineapple? Yes, you do. Very good. Next. What's the beginning sound? Sound. What's the beginning sound? Good. Do you like peach?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Very good. All right, so I guess that's the end of our speaking test. Say goodbye now to teacher.
My teacher.
Goodbye, Cherry. Can you give me double high five?